Let's analyze the decay of the C quark. First, if we look at how a C quark is represented as an ordered pair, we can see here that the S quantity is -1 divided by 2, and the T quantity is 2, and this represents the the C quark. Now, this composition includes what we consider a generic U quark and neutral-scalar boson. Now, let's look over here. Well, in addition, it also is associated with flavored V and anti-V particle pairs. Let's look over here in the graphic representation, and we'll see the generic U quark includes V, a T, and a T. And the neutral-scalar boson includes an anti-T flavored Rishon and a T prime, as well as a V and anti-V particle pair of flavored Rishons. And of course, we have the opposite for the anti-C composition. Now, the C quark will emit a W plus boson and thereby transform into a S quark. This is the ordered pair representation of the S quark, and this is the ordered pair representation of the W boson. And let's look over here again to see what their composition looks like graphically. And so here we have the constituents of the W boson that is emitted. And that emission will then leave this composition of the S quark, which will include the original generic U, but then bring in a boson minus. This boson minus then will transform this U into an S quark. And also there is a transformation of the V Rishon into, the green orange featured V Rishon into a purple orange featured V Rishon. We'll see later that this transforms the spin of the C quark from 1/2 into a -1/2 spin for the S quark. And that actually leads to the production of a particle-antiparticle pair of V's that will carry the spin 1 of the original C quark away with the W boson. So the W boson is a +1 electric charge, so we have a scalar boson plus here composed with a V flavored Rishon and a T prime, in addition to the neutral scalar boson that was initially a part of the C quark is now transmitted with the W quark. And let's look again more explicitly at the composition of the S quark. represented here by small s equaling 2 divided by 2 and small t of the ordered pair equaling -1. And so we have now the generic U part of the original C quark in composition with a boson minus. Let's look at this graphically. As we have just seen, we have the generic U with a boson minus, and that composition composes the S quark. And as mentioned earlier, we have the W quark composed of the V anti-V pair carrying the spin 1 of the W plus boson. And then we have the scalar boson plus component composed again of a flavored V and a prime T, and then the neutral scalar boson that was a part of the original C quark, having a flavored anti-T and a prime T, which when combining with the anti-C quark will produce an anti-S quark. And so there we have the composition and decay products of the C quark in terms of the Rishon model, this Rishon model.